announcing the arrival of the Department of Tourism Secretary, Cristina Garcia Frasco.
Always the Filipino smile. Always the Filipino smile. Always the Filipino smile. I love the Filipino smile.
The Department of Tourism Secretary, Cristina Garcia Frasco. We would like to request everyone to please take your seats now, because in a moment, we will start our program. A round of applause once again to the Department of Tourism Secretary, Cristina Garcia Frasco.
Always the Filipino smile. Always the Filipino smile. I love the Filipino smile.
We would like to request again everyone to please settle down as we are now about to start our program. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and fellow advocates of cultural heritage and tourism, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Fio Flavi, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this very special gathering, or I should say very special event, commemorating the visit of our dear Department of Tourism Secretary, Cristina Garcia Frasco, to the Sorsogon region for the Philippine Experience Program. And I'm seeing actually new faces. Probably these are actually the persons who were not able to join us earlier on during the early breakfast at the General Santos City Fishport. But anyway, this gives me a good reason to introduce again myself. My name is Elric, and I am the Secretary General of the Association of the Tourism Officers of the Philippines National Board. And very quickly, ladies and gentlemen, while everybody is still settling down, there is one trivia that I would like to share to you, that the ATOP as an association is now in the course of amending some of our provision in our constitutional bylaws, in which for one to be able to hold a position as Secretary General, he should be good-looking. I hear no objection, so let's proceed now to the program. Okay, today we gather to celebrate the rich tapestry of Filipino culture, the breathtaking beauty of our landscapes, and the unwavering spirit of our communities. Through captivating performances, heartfelt messages, and meaningful interactions, we aim to showcase the essence of the Philippines and its diverse offerings. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us as we embark on a journey of discovery, appreciation, and unity, guided by the vision of loving more our nation's treasures to the world. That's why we have the promotional catchphrase, Love the Philippines. Welcome to an unforgettable experience that communicates the essence of the Philippines. Welcome to the Philippines Experience Program, the Sock Sergeant Tourism Landscapes. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the entrance of the colors and the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, and please remain standing for our prayer and the singing of the Sarangani Land of Beauty.
Pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, pero sa silanganan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa mandulupin. Kapasisigil sa nagatang tutok sa simoy at sa langit mo pagaw ay tinatang tula tawid sa pagkayang minamahal ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nagtitindig ang bituin at araw niya kailan pang ay magtitindig luwan ang araw ng walhagin pagsinta buhay langit sa piling mo.
That saved a wretch like me. I was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear and was found, and grace will lead me home. With endless days to see God's grace, then where we'd first begun.
Banwi Sarangani. Yegalaman. Bongfiu Banwu. Sandungoni Mindanao. Fufung Fandango. Mafo Digu. Sarangani. Nunduon. Kan. Idagitan san. Yusakdo. Salnga di bulu. Lagtu di langit. Dalol mahi, kamyab dumani du, glutwatam letana, digu sarangani fakang mi, lawil mi. Sarangani anak of Yubawa, fakang mi, lawil mi.
You may now take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our esteemed Municipal Mayor, Attorney Maria Teresa Constantino, for her opening message.
Na ako'y kodigo sa akong mga bisita. Ganina, honghonganay mi ni Secretary kung unsay dialect diri. Bisaya ba o Tagalog ba? Sa amo adiri sa Malungon, Bisaya, Ilonggo, Tagalog, English. Ganina nagapangumusta ko sa mga delegates, ambot kung makasabot sila sa ako kung magbinisaya ko. Makasabot ba mo kung magbinisaya ko? Palakpak daw bi kung nakasabot. Hinay ang pakpak, so dapat magtagalog dahil ko ron. My respect and warmest greetings of peace and progress to all our guests today. Unahon sa nako ning mga kauban sa kong amiga, Yusek Agnes Catherine Miranda and other officials of the department. Andito ba? Hello po, welcome po. Consulate General Dedi Faisal bin Ahmad Saleh of Malaysia, Davao City. Welcome po. Assistant Tourism Attaché Rohana Benita Dahalan of the Malaysian Embassy. Ma'am, welcome again. The officials of the Department of Tourism and its attached agencies, sa lahat-lahat ng nandito, officials of the local and national associations and tour operators na nandito, welcome po. The Soxurgen Philippine Experience participants, asa mo? Nagtour ang mga taga Soxurgen na participants. Ipatagalog yung kuninyo din, Our regional director, my good friend, Ma'am Nelia Arena. Ma'am, thank you po sa technical assistance. And of course, ingon nila ganina, i-acknowledge lang daw na ako siya sa very simple lang ang acknowledgement. Tawagon ra daw na ako siya as tourism secretary. Pero awas-awas akong kalipay karon tungod sa una, when we were together sa League of Municipalities of the Philippines, siya being our Vice President for the Visayas, lagi kaming nagkukwentuhan na sana maikot namin ang aming mga bayan. So I was in Liloan, I visited Cebu kasi lagi silang host, and we hope na makavisit siya sa Malungon, and yung isa naming kaibigan na LMP Vice President na ngayon ng Mindanao, ang Mayor ng Jose Abad Santos, si Mayor Jason Joyce. Sabihan ko si Mayor Jason mamaya na naunahan na kita, nakavisit na dito ang aming kaibigan na ngayon, Tourism Secretary, ang pinakagwapa nga mayor sa una. Ako naman karon, kaya na siya. Ako na yung pinakagwapa nga mayor sa Pilipinas. Wala naman siya. Our Tourism Secretary, my good friend, Attorney Cristina Garcia Frasco Cañera. Welcome po sa Malungon. Kailangan ko din i-acknowledge itong aking mga kaibigan from the province of Sarangani, sa lahat ng department heads from Sarangani, sa lahat ng officials from Sarangani, and syempre, sa walay pabor-pabor, ang gipadala sa ato ang pinanggang Governor Ruel Pacquiao, his representative, our very own board member Joseph Calanao, so on. Our 15th Sangguniang Bayan members headed by our presiding officer, Vice Mayor Mariano Escalada Jr., sa lahat ng mga department heads and all the employees of the local government unit of Malungon, walay pabor-pabor, gusto na ko special mention ang atuang Municipal Tourism Office headed by my sister. Kung ako'y pinakagwapa nga mayor sa Pilipinas, sa munisipyo sa Malungon, ikaduharag yun ko sa kong magulang, ang atuang tourism officer, Ma'am Cristina Constantino La Paz. Good job. So far, so good. And syempre, sa host tourism site nato, ang CCT, represented by our General Manager, Ma'am Lalaine. Thank you po. And syempre, sa tanang kapitan headed by Kapitan Jojo Aligario, naami 31 barangay sec, lapad kayong Malungon sec. Mauni ang pinakalapad in terms of land area sa tibuok probinsya sa Sarangani. Sa tanang kapitan, kaway-kaway daw, deha, And syempre sa tanang tribal chieftains nga naa din headed by our municipal IPMR Dato Edmond Pangilan, sa tanan-tanan nga nagpasundayag sa atuang kultura diri sa munisipyo sa Malungon, sa tanang makadungog sa akong tingog, maayong hapon kanatong tanan, Soxurgen. Hello, ikahinay sa pakpak, oy. Salamat kaayo. Ang talk ako ngayon is mag-welcome lang sa bisita. And kanina, I was talking with our Provincial Information Office. Sabi ko kay Ma'am Joanna, Ma'am, how do you want me to package Sarangani? Kasi nandito si Secretary Frasco. Pwede palampason ang tsansa nga makapahambog mi kay Secretary sa kung unsa kanindot ang probinsya sa Sarangani. And ganina, na may mga delegates, may pumunta kanina sa napakagandang tanawin sa Glan. Nag-proceed kayo dito sa Malungon kasi ang Sarangani, ang na-offer natin when we speak of tourism, ridge to reef. And for the information of all the delegates, ang Sarangani Province, hindi lahat ng bayan may dagat. Kaya siguro nandito kayo dahil sa lahat ng munisipyo ng Sarangani Province, Malungon lamang ang landlocked area. Kami lang po, SEC, ang walang dagat. Pero lagi kaming dinadayo ng mga bisita because aming pinagmamalaki ang aming kultura, ang kultura ng Blaan at Taga-Kaulo. I was sharing how good our cultural practices here in Malungon, and makita man ninyo sa palibot yung aming mga crafts. I hope na na-appreciate ninyo ang mga gawa ng aming mga cultural masters. Lagi naming pinipreserve kung ano ang meron kami and kung kailangan mag-innovate para mas gumanda ang ating mga pinagmamayabang na kultura, we can, provided that there will be no cultural misappropriation. This afternoon, I just would like to appreciate and commend the balance that Secretary Frasco is doing para ma-establish ang international and local relations when we speak of tourism industry. The visit of our Secretary Frasco is a manifestation that she gives importance to the actors of the tourism industry. And because dati siyang mayor, hindi lang basta mayor ng Cebu, isa sa mga pinagmamalaking mayor ng buong Pilipinas dahil multi-awardee when we speak of different practices in governance. Sa lahat ng mga bridging leaders, pareho kaming bridging leaders, and na tutunan namin how to deep dive, how to immerse in the community. And what Secretary Frasco is doing right now is to deep dive to the local government units para makita kung ano ang mga magagandang kailangan i-promote at kung ano pa ang pwedeng gawin para ma-improve ang pag-promote natin sa ating mga bayan. So SEC, on behalf of the local government unit of Malungon and the province of Sarangani, welcome po. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagbisita. I'm sure that because of your visit, marami pang pupunta sa aming probinsya, lalo na sa bayan ng Malungon, para makita how good our cultural tourism is in this part of Soc-Sargen. So we say, subida Malungon, bida ang turismo ng Malungon, sulong Sarangani, ronda, probinsya ng Sarangani. Maayong hapon kanatong tanan.
There you had it, the Municipal Mayor Attorney Maria Teresa D. Constantino. Let's immerse ourselves in the rich culture of our indigenous and tribal communities with the mesmerizing dance performance by Taga-Kaulo performers. Whenever the Taga-Kaulo's tribe woman leader called Bia plans a visit to the community, they prepare a malong, referred to as mong in their tribal language, which is used by the women to place important items known as saguba. She puts her dress and other items in the saguba to bring along during the travel. Nowadays, saguba refers to a bag. Additionally, the BN contains the food and water provision. Makabatog refers to the male leader of the Taga-Kaulo tribe. He uses a bakutal or pack bag made from bamboo and nito, a type of vine used for weaving and crafting. The men are mandated to carry this bag that holds the food and water, ensuring everyone has enough provisions for the journey. This practice is called Saguba Sayaw or dance, symbolizing the Taga-Kaulo's tribe's journey and visitation to various communities to check on their close relatives. They ensure that everyone is living well, safely, and away from trouble. This is the real responsibility of Makabatog and Bia, and it is the essence of Saguba Sayaw. Dakula salamat, taga-Kaulo performers of Malungon, Sarangani. Now we're honored to hear words of support from board member the Honorable Joseph M. Calano.
Thank you. Actually, it is with great pleasure to represent and to deliver the message of the good governor, Honorable Roelio Dapidran Pacquiao. So that's why Mayor Tessa, may kodigo ako dito. Of course, and this is the message of the good governor. To our dynamic and esteemed guest, Secretary of Department of Tourism, Honorable Cristina Garcia Frasco. And of course, to our DOT-12 Regional Director, Honorable Nilia R. Arina. And of course, the pride of Malungon, the Municipal Mayor, Attorney Maria Teresa Constantino, to the father of the 15th Sangguniang Bayan of Malungon, kasama po ang mga konsehal dito, Honorable Mariano Escalada Jr., to the provincial and municipal officials, my colleagues in public service, and to all the members of the Philippine Experience Program, our distinguished guests and visitors from all around the world, stakeholders and partners, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to each and everyone, and welcome to the beautiful land of Sarangani. It is with great honor and great enthusiasm to welcome all of you today for the launching of the Philippine Experience Program in our beloved region. This event marks a significant milestone in our collective journey to celebrate and promote the rich cultural heritage, natural beauty, and the resilient spirit of our people. Let me share with you the best of the captivating haven we proudly call home, Sarangani. Our beautiful Sarangani province is home to thousands of talented, creative, and skilled Sarangans, perfectly located between the abundant landscapes, azure waters, rolling hills, verdant forests, and vibrant cultural traditions. Sarangani stands as a gem in our beautiful archipelago and a living testament to the magnificent nature and sincerity of its people. As you grace our province, breathtaking scenery will not only welcome you, but also the warmth and hospitality of our dear Sarangans. From the sacred caves of Maitum to the rolling hills of Malungon, the pristine beaches and dazzling coastlines of historic Glan, the diverse marine life and dive spots of Maasim, the enchanting waterfalls and rivers of Kiamba, the progressive land of Alabel, and the vibrant weaving tradition of the Inol cloth in Malapatan. Beyond the unique wonders, cultural richness, shared history, and the diverse indigenous communities, Sarangani is also a hub of opportunities. Our dynamic, progressive, and sustainable development initiatives open wide doors to economic growth, creating fertile grounds for investments and partnerships. The potential that our province holds, whether in tourism, businesses, or collaborative ventures, immensely contributes to the prosperity of Sarangani. Above all, what truly sets Sarangani apart is the gentleness and humbleness of its people. The Sarangans' welcome nature attracts tourists to visit our remarkable province and adds something extra special to every experience in this paradise. Sarangani remains an unapparelled destination, a place where everyone can create wonderful memories. This is Sarangani Province, the paradise of the South, the home of living traditions, and the hub of possibilities. With this, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Department of Tourism for choosing our province as one of your destinations for the Philippine Experience Program activities, as well as to the provincial, municipal, and barangay officials for your steadfast support. Your dedication and passion are the driving forces behind this initiative, and I am confident that together we will make this a resounding success. To our guests and the visitors, I invite you to explore the beauty of Sarangani Province and the Soc-Sargen region. Let this experience be a journey of discovery of loving Philippines even more. Rest assured that as the governor of Sarangani Province, together with the provincial government of Sarangani, we will continue to look for ways to extend much needed support in all endeavors geared towards a more resilient, dynamic, and progressive Sarangani. Together, let us create unforgettable memories and build lasting connections. Once again, welcome to the land of beauty, our paradise, our home. Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. And this is the message of our beloved Governor, Honorable Rogelio Dapidran Pacquiao. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Representing the Honorable Governor Rogelio Pacquiao of Sarangani Province, there we had it, the board member, Honorable Joseph Calanaw. Daghang salamat. Enjoy another captivating performance showcasing the vibrant traditions of our indigenous and tribal groups, this time by Cagten Blaan performers. The name Blaan is derived from the combination of Bla and An, signifying counterpart tribe. The captivating Blaan culture deeply embeds rituals for various life aspects, rooted in a belief in the existence of supremacy of the Creator. Recognized as God or Mele, an iconic Blaan dance, the Aral Cafe or Eagle Dance, mirrors the graceful movements of the Eagle Bird Cafe, gracefully leaping from branch to branch with its majestic wings extended. In the Aral Cafe dance, female dancers mesmerize in vibrant native attire, adorned with vivid glass bead tassels. They wear girdles, leggings, and arm embellishments embellished with an array of small brass bells they call tlayong and beaded belts. The intricately detailed and colorful attire enhances the beauty and significance of the dance, reflecting the Blaan tribe's rich cultural legacy. Malungon, a town overflowing with cultural richness and community camaraderie, embodies unity and care among Christian brothers and sisters. The Saslang gatherings in Malungon, Sarangani Province, are lively showcases of people's skills and products, underscoring a profound cultural depth, unity, and exceptional leadership committed to selflessly serving others. These cultural expressions and communal bonds illuminate the authentic essence and beauty of the communities, shining brightly for all to appreciate and admire.
Wata Blen kami tanak na wanda Dinidimduni Stifun Igusmitang bay Kal Gamit na bang matwatanan Hamigod na yan Ang dairad to Magot ban mo mangan
Bong salamat kag 10 Blaan performers. A round of applause once again to kag 10 Blaan performers of Malungon Sarangani. This time, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite your attention to our video screen.
Before being appointed as the youngest member of the Marcos administration in 2022, she spent a decade in the legal profession, teaching law and practicing international arbitration and commercial litigation. A former three-term mayor of Liloan Town in the province of Cebu, she positioned Liloan as what is today as a top model and most resilient municipality in the Philippines. Her outstanding work and valuable efforts as a leader and public servant did not go unnoticed when she was recognized as Presidential Lingkod Bayan Regional Awardee for Excellence in Public Service, ranking first among all municipal mayors in the Central Visayas region of the Philippines. In just 2 years since she took helm as the Philippine Department of Tourism Secretary, she has consistently ranked as one of the top-performing members of the Marcos administration, delivering solid outcomes and achievements for the industry. Under her visionary leadership, reforms and innovations were introduced to lay the foundation of a sustainable, resilient, and globally competitive tourism industry. A certified diver herself, the Department of Tourism is now beefing up its dive tourism portfolio to sustain its standing in the global arena as an award-winning dive destination. Now, the country has regained its position in the global tourism arena with the Philippines election as Vice President of the United Nations Tourism General Assembly, a position once held by the country more than 2 decades ago, alongside the chairmanship of the UN Tourism Commission for East Asia and the Pacific. Today, the Philippines is World Travel Awards recipient of the prestigious Global Tourism Resilience Award for demonstrating global leadership, pioneering vision, and innovation to overcome critical challenges and adversity, leveraging on collaborative and shared governance that leaves no destination and people behind. She has put the Filipino tourism workers at the core of the administration's drive, strengthening further the heart of the tourism industry. Recognizing her tireless efforts towards collaborating with the private sector, Escal International distinguished her with the Tourism Good Governance Award. It was also under her leadership that tourism as a sector reclaimed its pole position in the Philippine economy as the second top driver of the country's growth and development, generating jobs and employing millions of Filipinos whose world-renowned brand of warm hospitality has made the world love the Philippines, bringing the country a step closer to fulfilling the President's vision of transforming the Philippines into a tourism powerhouse in Asia.
To formally introduce our keynote speaker, let's welcome in front the lovely Regional Director of the Department of Tourism 12, Nelia King Arena.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Secretary of Tourism of the Republic of the Philippines, Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco.
Always the Filipino smile. Always the Filipino smile. Always the Filipino smile. I love the Filipino smile.
Mabuhay and love the Philippines. Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ang una na akong hatagan sa akong pagyukbo, ang akong suod kaayo nga amiga. Nagkauban mi niya isip mga mayor sa among tagsa-tagsa ka mga lungsod ubos sa National Directorate of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines. And in the time that I knew her, I was very impressed by the vision that she had for her municipality, and most importantly, the strength and the courage with which she has executed that vision, and is also the reason why we are here today to witness the work that local government units are doing, and excellent mayors such as her are doing to safeguard and promote the Filipino culture. Mayor Tessa Constantino. We are also very happy to be joined by Board Member Joseph Calanao, representing Governor Rogelio Pacquiao. Kauban usab nato ang atong Vice Mayor, Vice Mayor Mariano Escalada Jr. ug ang atong mga municipal councilors. The Executive Director of the Center for Community Transformation Ministry and Retreat Place, our host, Edie Lalaine Nakita. Our Municipal Tourism Action Officer, Ma'am Cristina Constantino La Paz. We are joined as well by the members of the Diplomatic Corps, Consul General Dedi Faisal bin Ahmad Saleh of Malaysia, Assistant Tourism Attaché Rohana Biniti Dahalan of the Malaysian Embassy, and of course, our ever-supportive private sector that continue to drive the Philippine tourism industry to its robust performance. Ang atuang mga officials of our tourism organizations in the country, the president of our National Association of Independent Travel Agencies, Ma'am Raquel Sabusido. From the Philippine Travel Agencies Association, or PTAA, Vice President Evelyn D. Bondaji, as well as the other officials of the PTAA. My good friend, from the Philippine Tour Operators Association, Trustee Fe Abling Yu. Representatives from the Philippine Hotel Owners Association and the Pacific Asia Travel Association Philippine Chapter, as well as other officials and members of the local, regional, and national associations and tour operators. Pakpakin ninyo inyong kaugalingon. We are honored by the presence of Undersecretary Agnes Catherine Miranda of the Department of Agriculture. And I have brought with me the officials of the Department of Tourism to marvel at the beauty that is Sarangani and to witness for themselves the beauty that is Mindanao, very well represented in Soc-Sargen. Undersecretary Myra Paz Abubakar Valderosa, ASEC Verna Buensuceso, ASEC Gisela Marie Quisumbing, and we are joined by our regional and central office directors from all over the Philippines. Mahimo bang mo barog aron atong mahatagan og masipang pakpak? Of course, ato yung special mention. Ang ato ang host, Regional Director, RD Arena. ED Jerty Duran Batucabe of Nayong Filipino Foundation. From the National Parks Development Committee, Deputy Executive Director Jezreel Gawis Apilar, and other officials of the DOT's attached agencies. I'd also like to mention the Municipal Indigenous Peoples Mandatory Representative, Honorable Datu Edmund Pangilan. Sa mga barangay kapitan, chieftains, department heads of Malungon, Sarangani, the Blaan and Taga-Kaulo tribes of Malungon, the delegates of the Philippine Experience Soc-Sargen, mga kaigsuunan kong Pilipino, mayong hapon kaninyong tanan. It is my great joy, pleasure, and privilege to join all of you at this, the 9th installment of the Philippine Experience, which we have brought all over the country and which has taken us to the beautiful region of Soxargen. Okay, ramo diha? We gather today in Soxargen, a region renowned for its beautiful coastlines, pristine valleys, rolling hills, vast mountain ranges, and a legendary river system that nourishes the islands of Mindanao. This region is not just a geographic marvel, but also a cultural treasure trove. Home to the revered tribes of the Tiboli, the Blaan, the Tagkaulo, Maguindanao, and other indigenous communities. Our venue today, the CCT Malungon Retreat Training Center, has for many years served as a testament to the power of scripture-based development, where tribal communities are encouraged to embrace their cultural identity while being guided towards the transformative joy of Christ's teachings. This place offers a serene and enriching experience that beautifully encapsulates the indigenous cultures of Malungon. Today, we unite under the banner of the Philippine Experience Program, a flagship initiative of our President, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., implemented by the Department of Tourism. Having been a mayor of a municipality in Cebu, where tourism is the top driver of our economy, I saw for myself the necessity of ensuring that we spread development across our province and now across the Philippines in order to open up opportunities for tourism, livelihood, and employment. Direktiba sa atong presidente nga atong hatagan og higayon ang mga lugar sa Pilipinas nga kinahanglan pa natong suportaan aron sila mailhan sa tibuok kalibutan ug mahatagan og higayon ang atong mga kaigsuunang Pilipino nga makatrabaho, magkabaton og livelihood ug employment pamaagi sa turismo. Tourism is now one of the strongest pillars of our economy, employing over 5.35 million Filipinos, contributing trillions to our economy. Such is the power of tourism. But such also is the power of the Filipino culture, that it is able to drive continued interest into the country. Mao kini ang panlantaw sa atong presidente nga ang Pilipinas mailhan sa tibuok kalibutan dili lamang pamaagi sa atong manindot kaayo nga mga beaches, mountainscapes, biodiversity ug uban pa kundi pinakaimportante sa tanan nga mailhan pamaagi sa atong kultura. That the Philippines elevates itself as a tourism powerhouse by way of the strength of our culture, our heritage, and the strength of spirit of our people. And it is only by an immersion into our communities that you will get to know the heart and soul of the Filipino. Sa nakita na ninyo sa atong Tagkaulo ug Blaan nga mga tribo, buhi kaayo sa ilang mga sayaw, sa ilang mga kanta, sa ilang mga gisulot. Ang atong kultura isip Pilipino. This should give us great pride to be Filipinos. And this should remind us that through the love that we have for our culture, we will continue to be able to elevate the status of Philippine tourism all over the world. The Philippine Experience Program perfectly aligns with the National Tourism Development Plan, which prioritizes the equalization of tourism product development and promotion. Kung diin, hataga nato og importansya ang pagduso sa international tourism ug usab ang pagduso sa domestic tourism. For we have seen under our data that the Philippines has great strength in terms of its domestic tourism numbers, such that it ranked #1 in terms of visitor receipts in the ASEAN as far as domestic tourism is concerned. And such quality is there in the offerings that we're able to offer to our international travelers that I'm pleased to report that the Philippines has now fully recovered in terms of its international visitor receipts comparative to our pre-pandemic numbers. Padayon ang paghigugma sa tibuok kalibutan sa atong mahal nga nasod nga Pilipinas. Through the Philippine Experience Program, we hope to be able to diversify our tourism offerings and to be able to offer to our tourists international and local unforgettable and immersive tourism experiences that will allow them to come back again and again. As we celebrate the 9th Philippine Experience Program, let us relish this journey that takes us closer to a future where the Philippines stands proudly on the global stage, celebrated for its natural beauty and immense biodiversity, and most importantly, known for its rich and diverse culture and warm hospitality. Let us continue to work together, driven by our shared passion for tourism and our unwavering commitment to the betterment of our nation. To close, buot lang yun na akong ipadayag ang akong kinasing-kasing kaayo nga pasalamat kang Mayor Tessa ug sa tanan nga opisyalis dinhi sa Malungon ug sa atong mga kaigsuunan sa Blaan ug Tagkaulo tribe. Salamat kaayo sa inyong mainiton kaayo nga pagdawat kanamo. Bati kaayo namo ang inyong gugma ug makalaom kamo nga maong gugma among suklian pamaagi sa among paningkamot usab nga maduso gayod ang inyong turismo dinhi sa Malungon, mailhan sa tibuok kalibutan ang inyong kultura ug nga ang tibuok Sarangani ug ang Soc-Sargen region maglambo sa turismo ug mahimong usa sa atong mga garbo sa turismo sa Pilipinas. Daghan kayong salamat kaninyong tanan and love the Philippines.
The Secretary, Cristina Garcia Frasco. This time I would like to request the Honorable Secretary Frasco to please stay in front to hand the plaque of recognitions to the Provincial Local Government Unit of Sarangani in behalf of the Honorable Governor Pacquiao to be received by Board Member Calanao. To read, plaque of recognition is awarded to the Provincial Local Government Unit of Sarangani for the active partnership, collaboration, and unwavering support during the conduct of Philippine Experience Program, Soc-Sargen Leg, given this 5th day of June 2024 at Malungon, Sarangani Province, Philippines. Signed, Cristina Garcia Frasco, Secretary, Department of Tourism. Same plaque of recognition is given to the Municipality of Glan to be received by the Tourism Officer, Ms. Roa Wadingan. And the same plaque of recognition will be received by the Municipal Mayor of the Municipality of Malungon, Attorney Maria Teresa D. Constantino. And this time, we also would like to request the Honorable Municipal Mayor to give and present the token of appreciation to the Secretary, Cristina Garcia Frasco.
Colleen.
Always the Filipino smile. Always the Filipino smile. I love the Filipino smile.
Okay. May we request everyone na ngarita sa atubangan with Secretary Cristina and Mayor and ato mga photographers and videographers diri sa stage. Paungon lang nato ato lights diha and then diri white lights. Facing the audience po. Tindog tatanan, we'll have the Love the Philippines photo and video. Ari lang ta sa atubangan, tindog tatanan, atayo po tayo. Tayo po tayo mga delegates po at dito po tayo lahat sa front. Atin po mga atin po lahat ng staff po sa likod po para maklar. Okay na yun. Okay. Picture po tayo. Love sign, heart sign. Heart sign. Yung sa likod po, pakitaas, okay. Okay, video na po tayo. Love Sarangani and love the Philippines. Okay? The biggest voice, the biggest smile. Okay? Okay. Love Malungon, love Sarangani, love the Philippines. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go! Congratulations to everyone.
Now we would like to extend a warm invitation to all of our wonderful participants to join us for the community dance. Whether you're young or young at heart, whether you're a seasoned dancer or simply love to move to the rhythm of the music, this is our moment to shine. And this community dance will be led by the Cagten Blaan and Taga-Kaulo performers. Through dance. Dance as a medium to communicate love. Let's radiate love all throughout the country. And love the Philippines. Po nakapag-stamp. All participants are actually requested to please proceed to the stamp station to those who haven't stamped yet. Thank you.